Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make Yameni Mandi. Thank you very much for watching my videos. First of all, I need to make a Mandi masala. For that, I need 2 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon whole cumin, 1 whole cinnamon, 1 by 4th of whole cloves, 8 cardamom, 2 tablespoon fennel, 2 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 dry black lemon, and this all spices we need to make a powder. This is a homemade Mandi masala powder. After that, we need to marinate chicken. I am going to use 600 gram of chicken with skin, 15 gram ginger paste, 15 gram garlic paste, salt as per your taste, 2 tablespoon homemade Mandi masala powder, 20 ml oil. Then we need to marinate very well and keep it 30 minutes for rest. In another pan, heat 30 ml oil, 80 gram clarified butter. Just add 1 bay leaf, half cinnamon stick, 2 sliced onion. Then we need to saute very well. Ginger paste 5 gram, garlic paste 5 gram, 10 gram chopped capsicum, green capsicum, 2 whole green chili chopped, 10 gram chopped carrot, 2 tablespoon Mandi masala. Then we need to saute very well. At the same time, we need to cook chicken in another pan. Make sure both sides we need to sear properly. I add 750 ml of water, 4 chicken seasoning cube. After boil the water, I'm going to add 600 gram washed soaked rice, then 5 gram fresh chopped coriander. After that, you need to just follow the video and you need to cook rice as per the video. Then I'm going to layer the both sides seared chicken. We need to arrange one by one. Then 10 gram golden raisins, 5 gram almond, 5 gram dry fruit. Then I'm going to cover it. After that, I need to keep 10 minutes for them in very slow fire and 30 minutes them without fire. Total 40 minutes. After that, we need to open it and mix it as per the video. This is a very good recipe. Please follow it. The Mandi basically goes with libne, aioli and tomato sauce. Please watch my videos. Please follow my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. This is yummy. Very good. Very nice.